Hello friends, how are you? Fine, that's good. In the last two videos, we have seen a background to the study of English literature, and in that, in the first video, we studied what was the difference between tragedy and novel, drama and novel. In the second video, we have seen origin of English drama. Now, since today we are going to study the chapter dramatic types. In our syllabus, there are 9 points under this chapter, out of which the first is distinguish between tragedy and comedy. As we know that from the earliest time, drama has been divided broadly into two kinds, tragedy and comedy. Tragedy means which deals with the dark side of life. Dark side means what? Whatever the sadness, sorrowness, painful things are there in our life, about that when drama is written, that is what a tragedy. And as against to the tragedy, when drama is written about happiness or laughter, that is comedy. Comedy aims at laughter. Here we seen tragedy in the Greek drama deals with the fate of character of high birth, and comedy deals with the people of much less importance. What is the reason behind that? In everyone's life, our life is nothing but it is a blend mixture of happiness and unhappiness. We can't deny it. It is another matter, in one's life there will be some less happiness and more unhappiness, or in one's life there will be a less unhappiness or more happiness, but we can't deny that life is a blend mixture of happiness and unhappiness, means both the things are there in our life. When drama is written with the happy side of life, that is a comedy, and when drama is written an unhappy side of the life, that is the dark side of the life, that is called tragedy. But to describe it according to the Greek tradition, as we know that English drama also came from Greek, and therefore when you want to study tragedy and comedy, it became essential for us to go through the ancient tradition of drama. In ancient tradition, tragedy was written about the high people, high standard people, rich people, prosperous people, and comedy was dealing with the less important people, poor people. In ancient Greek, if there was a tragic actor, tragic hero who used to wear thick-soled and high-heeled boot to make him more majestic. Here it is written that tragic actor put a thick-soled and high-heeled boot to make him more majestic. As against the comic actor wore a light shoes to show his lower degree. It was the main difference in Greek tradition. No doubt, in fact, superior people or inferior people, or rich people or poor people, both suffer as equal, but the fall of rich man or the fall of or a death of king or death of prince or ruin of any rich family make a deeper impression on the spectators, and therefore tragedies were written in ancient Greek tradition about rich people, and comedy were written about the inferior people, that is the poor people. But day by day this ancient Greek tradition came to England, and after some time in England, such a philosophy changes according to the changing situation, according to the circumstances, and in that 18th century or in 17th century, some novels or drama are written in as against to the Greek tradition. In later literature, there were many tragedies of lowly life and many comedies of high society. The heroine of most tragic of Thomas Hardy's novel, here it is mentioned Thomas Hardy's novel Tess of Durbar Village. We have written it a short name Tess, Tess of Durbar Village. Tess, who is from very poor family, but tragedy of this poor lady is also written by Thomas Hardy. And then and in fact, in Shakespeare comedies are written with the high birth of life, that is the Falstaff, Portia and Rosaline, and that is what the difference between tragedy and comedy. What was the main purpose of tragedy? Tragedy and comedy has serves two different purposes. Tragedy bring about a purgation of pity and fear, and the purpose of comedy is to correct manners. Means, what is the purpose of tragedy? The purpose of tragedy is to bring the purgation of emotions of pity and terror or pity and fear, and the purpose of comedy is to correct the manners. It was the purpose in that age of tragedy and comedy. That is what the difference between tragedy and comedy. In the next video, we will discuss about tragedy and its type as well as comedy and its type. Till then, okay.